Welcome, everyone. In this lesson on the true secret of the mind and success, it's highly important you understand this. Now, I'm going to show you a picture that represents the mind. Nobody has seen the mind. This is the image that represents the mind. You see, your conscious mind, subconscious, and the body. You are a triune being. You have a conscious mind, a subconscious mind, and a body. The part of you that knows things and the part that controls your body is two different parts. Your conscious mind is the thinker, and the sad story is most people don't think. But anyway, your conscious mind is the thinker. Nobody has seen the thinker. We see what the person does, but I've not seen who does it. That's because the real you is non-physical. Your conscious mind build ideas, and so far that ideas remain in your conscious mind, nothing happen. But when you impress that idea in your subconscious mind, that is where magic happens. You see, your subconscious mind is totally impersonal. It doesn't think or plan. It will take the thought you think just the way it is. It's not going to polish it to make it look good. It will take it the way it is and express it with it through the body. This happens all the time. Your body, on the other hand, does not think. You see, you use your body the same way you use your hand or your brain. And so far you're in this material universe, you're going to be using the body to correspond with the material world. The material universe is the last plane of existence, but not the finished plane. Ideas are very important. It's really important. You must learn to act on ideas if you want massive success. Building ideas is only 10%, and 90% is follow through to completion. And unless that idea is not properly planted in your subconscious mind, the wind of circumstance is going to swipe it away from your conscious mind. But you must come to understand that everything you will ever have or be is already here. Everything is spirit or energy. Albert Einstein said it, everything is energy, and that's all there is to it. Match the frequency of the reality you want, and you cannot help but get that reality. This is not philosophy, this is physics. In other words, you act like the person you want to become, and the thing that person would tend to come to you. This is the law of cause and effect, not only in the individual sense, but in the universal sense. Now, stay with me. I want you to really get this. There's a connecting link between you and what you want. Ralph Waldo Emerson said, "You cannot run away from your good." This is because it comes from within. And most people, without knowing what they are doing or what is going on, get rid of the idea. But it's still there. As Ernange said, everyone has a gold mine between his ears. If he fails to mine the gold, well, that's his business. But it's there. And then some put it in his own way of saying, you cannot destroy the divine image, your idea, but you can deface it, make it appear unpleasant. That's what most people are unconsciously doing. They are, by their own self, destroying themselves. Your subconscious mind is a part of everything. When you really understand who you really are and your relation to the whole scheme of things, then you realize that the universe is no dead pile of stone and wood. Everything has life in it. There is no such thing as inanimate objects. Everything in this universe is in a constant state of vibration. You see, the reason why most people have a difficult time accepting ideas is because there's no brain cells to register that idea to the universe. And in that process, they're going to give you a kind of reason why they can't achieve it and all kind of obvious reason why they can't do it. The truth is you can do anything, and that's all there is to it. Now, I want you to really understand this. What I want you to do, I'm going to give you a simple exercise. What I want you to do is repeat what you want every day and believe. Your belief will create the fact. Now, take out a piece of paper and a pen. At the top of the paper, write what you want, bold and clearly. Not what other people want you to want or what your friends, relative want you to want. Is you as an individual. What do you want as a person? Now, this may take some time to really, the answer may take some time to come to your consciousness, but it will surely come. After you have written what you want at the top, below, write this statement and repeat it often. One, I will achieve more than I can. Two, I will become more than I am. Three, I will think of only that which has virtue and worth. Four, I will live to live more. Five, I will work to be of service to an ever increasing number. Repeat this, repeat this before going to bed and when you wake up. Really do this. You see, you're working with laws and the law will work for you to the fullest extent. There's no limit to what you can do. Now, I'll be back with more important, vital lesson. Thank you. Bye for now.